This is the before. Going to update the mulch and some plants here in beautiful Ponte Vedra. Gonna take out this mulch and move some plants around. Also add some plants. Stay tuned. Quick update, you have to check the sprinklers. Had to add some sprinklers. You always have to check the irrigation before you add new flowers and plants. So everything looks really good. Added some pop-ups. So it's all thumbs up on putting everything in. Stay tuned. Mexican beach pebbles. These are the large, well, they make them boulder size. These aren't the boulders, but these are the large stones. They're all round, very distinctive, perfect for those tight little areas next to your patio. Prevent maintenance and add a very low maintenance, high quality, durable accent to your outdoor area. Mexican beach pebbles. All done in beautiful Ponte Vedra Beach. The word of today is Santorini. Santorini is the word of the day. And that is these beautiful white rocks. They come from a place called Santorini in Greece, if you can believe it. If you Google Santorini or Google Santorini rocks, you'll see where they get these stones from. It's incredible. And you post in the comments if you have ever heard of these unique stones. These are not marble. They are Santorini. Love to hear your thoughts about this landscape. All done. This rock was imported from Greece. It's called Santorini. The word of today is Santorini. These beautiful stones, believe it or not, are gathered from a beach in the Mediterranean. And there's just nothing like it. There's just nothing like it.